Alright guys, welcome back to Impressive Media Solutions. I'm Kern Scott, and in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install Audacity on your Windows 10 machine. Alright guys, so Audacity, obviously is that free door cross-platform. If you need to do either create a podcast or you would like to edit some audio for a video or any sort of audio work, Audacity is the place to go. Now, the first step to downloading Audacity is finding the site. Now, we have already Googled it. You can Google it. Audacity, Audacity. And the name of the website is audacityteam.org. And we're going to click the link. And as you can see, it's a really nice website. A lot of people definitely working hard to keep this free and going. All right, so definitely the video is about Windows 10, but if you are not using Windows 10 or you would like to download it through a Windows 10 machine for another operating system, you can head to download and click the link for whichever operating system you decide to install it on. All right, but for us, we're going to hit this download link, and this is what we would call a smart website. So it would definitely see which OS you are using and download that particular file. So let's hit Audacity, and it has already started to load. If we watch this countdown, it's easy like that, guys. At the pop-up box open, we click save. Now, depending on the browser you're using, you're going to have to know where it downloads or where does it put it. The nice thing, I'm using Firefox, so it creates this little link here, so I could go straight to my download folder. Right now, we're gonna drag this on my desktop, and then we're gonna double click the Audacity icon. All right, now Windows 10 may ask for some sort of confirmation, so what we're gonna do is just click yes. And depending on your language, you can choose your language of choice. Click OK, then click next, click next again. Now it's going to show you exactly where the program is going to be installed. Click next. Now I previously had it installed there, so it's just going to ask, it's just asking permission to override. So for me, I will click yes, and click next, click install. Click next, and I'm going to launch it. So we're going to leave that little checkbox there. If you don't want it to launch, you can uncheck it, but I'm going to check it because we're going to open it. And there you have it, guys. We have just downloaded and installed Audacity. Now the version of Audacity is 3.0.2. Now that's of this recording. Now if at any point you go on and you see a different version, you'll definitely still be able to follow these steps. All right, guys, there you have it. I've shown you guys how to download, install, and open Audacity. Now look out for more videos where we're actually going to be showing you how to do some really fun and creative things with Audacity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. And guys, thank you for watching.